Hey guys, it's Nathan. Here's another really good area and volume problem, so let's get started. So the region for this problem is bounded by the curve y equals the square root of x, the line x equals 2, and the x-axis. So this is our region. So first we want to find the area of this region. So let's take the integral. So we're going to take the integral from 0 to 2 of the top curve minus the bottom curve. Now the top curve is root x, x to the 1/2. The bottom curve is just y equals 0, so we don't have to put anything in with respect to x. So the antiderivative of x to the 1/2 is x 3/2 times 2/3, and we're evaluating this from 2 to 0. And so from this we get 4 root 3 or 4 root 2 over 3. And that is our area. The next part of the question asks us to take the volume of the solid formed by rotating this around the x-axis. So now when we rotate this about the x-axis, we're going to sum a bunch of circles whose radii get larger and larger as we go forth. So we're taking the integral from 0 to 2, and then we just input the formula for the area of a circle in terms of the radius. So pi times r squared. The r is just going to be top curve minus bottom curve. So pi x to the 1/2 squared. So we see this is just pi integral from 0 to 2 of x. So we're going to get evaluated from 0 to 2 times pi. And from this we get 2 pi. And that's the volume for part B. Now on to part C. It's another cross-sections problem. So we're taking cross-sections perpendicular to the x-axis, so we're doing dx, and they're all equilateral triangles, so we want the volume of this solid. So say we take this distance. At this line right here, an equilateral triangle is going to come out towards us, and the sides are just going to be 2, top curve minus bottom curve. And that's going to continue all the way to this 0 point. So let's write this as an integral. So we're taking the integral from 0 to 2. And the formula for the area of an equilateral triangle is s squared root 3 over 4. Our side length is our top curve minus bottom curve, so our side length is going to be root x, so it's x root 3 over 4 is our area of the triangle. So let's solve this out. We get x squared over 2 evaluated from 0 to 2 times root 3 over 4. And this will give us root 3 over 2. And that's our answer, and we're done.